Hello guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to make a face on the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube, which I think is essential for doing the cube. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a white face. So we focus on the white center, and our first objective is to put the edge pieces around it. So quickly, these are edge pieces right here, and these are corner pieces right here. So we first want to make a white cross by surrounding the white center with white edges. So let's look for them. So we have a white edge right here. We have another one right here. Now we need to find the other two. We have one right here, so we can slide it up. And don't worry about the corner, it doesn't matter. And then this one. So now, here, I'll get rid of the corner piece. So now we have a white edge. Now we have a white cross. So what we're gonna focus on now would be aligning the corner pieces. So how do we do that? We need to fill in these slots, applying certain algorithms. But what we look for first is by placing our white face on top, we look for bottom row white pieces. Like this one's a good piece to start with. So since it's on the right hand side, we execute the algorithm. Since it's on the bottom right corner of the front face, we apply D prime, R prime, D, R. Now we look for bottom white pieces, and we realize we don't have one. So next we focus on the top layer ones, top layer white pieces. So we're gonna bring this white piece down here, and since it's on the left hand side of the top of the front face, the top left corner of the front face, we apply the algorithm L, D prime, L prime. So now we're gonna go ahead and slide it up here. So to slide it up here, since it's on the left hand side, on the bottom left corner of the front face, we apply the algorithm D, L, D prime, L prime. So now we have a corner here and a corner here, but we need these two corners. So now let's look for bottom row pieces, and we have one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and slide it up here. Since it's on the bottom right hand side of the front face, we apply the algorithm D prime, R prime, D, R. So now we just need to find this last piece, and it's on the bottom. So since it's on the bottom, what we want to do is we want to line up this bottom white piece where it's going to fit in. So right here would be a good spot for it. And now we're going to bring this bottom face piece to the bottom row. Since it's on the right corner of the bottom face, we apply the algorithm R prime, D, R. And now we search the cube, and it's already on the bottom row. Next, we line it up with the empty spot, which is right here. And since it's on the bottom left corner, we apply the algorithm D, L, D prime, L prime. Now we have a face. So the key to this step is, the key to making a face on the Rubik's Cube is understanding what the notations mean. If you don't understand Rubik's Cube notation, I have a video on that I highly recommend for beginners to watch. And if it's in the link down below. So first is the edges, then the corners. Edges first, then corners. What I recommend for this step is doing it with every single face a couple times, so that way you get the hang of it. You'll notice trends. So focus on the bottom row pieces first. If you don't have any, then look for top row. Then if you don't have any, look for bottom row. These algorithms are confusing, but the reality is that they're inverses of each other, and you will notice that once you start doing it multiple times. So just practice making a face until you get the hang of it, and then once you get the hang of it, you can start on the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. All right, that's all. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe if you've seen any value. Thanks.